Hello, how are you? It is what day is it? What day is it? It is my day 56. 56 day. I'd like to talk about interviews, being interviewed, prepare an interviews, prepare an interview outlook. That's what I'd like to talk about. The idea is last month I had an interview with Rappler. Rappler is one of the news websites in the Philippines. That's me uh, with Aldrich, and I think we're in a podcast. So this what it sounds like. It's in. But anyway, it's here, and there's a podcast, and we talk about a lot of things. I remember I had a couple of stories and outlines that I did here, which I don't have now. Let me listen to it.
So joining us today, we have Alex and Ali of UXPH. So welcome, guys.
Hello. Hello. Thanks for having us.
Yeah. Can you tell us more about what?
So I have a
That's why an important element of user experience is the research part. We research actually behaviors and understand what people, and that was my trigger for maybe I could find out the word communities of user experience are. And at the time, I could not find any. There was nothing. And the closest I could find was the uh, good friends from the Philippine Web Designers Organization, and they were they were my trigger or my in to the world of design. He's the first people who were into the Philippine Web Designers Org had shown me what a design and user experience design meant me. And my first project way back then was a simple e-commerce website.
so yeah. I think I recall now what I was talking about. I was just listening to it so I can remember what I was talking about. You notice my was terrible. I think I was a bit nervous. I really have to practice my way I speak. So normally I talk about how I started in UX. I started in UX, which is um, UX. Maybe I'll make a new page for this. Interview notes. Interview UX page interview notes. Interview out. What stories do I want to tell? No? What stories do I like to tell? So I usually like talking about how I started in UX. I started in the world of UX. This is basically manager. I used to work in a company called US Auto Parts. And that this was around 2011, I think, 2007. Yeah, 2007. And I was given the title UX user experience and it's a manager, but I didn't know what that meant. I meant I was a project manager. Project manager for the marketing department. That's how it was before. Um, my first major project And then I looked and probably how the first labor of music manager in the country. I can claim this because couldn't find couldn't find this in any job site locally. So I remember really looking for the first major project was an auto parts. Was it was a discount auto mirrors parts website. So auto mirror parts website because I used to work with auto parts, and one of the first website that I made was a specialty site for mirrors, discount auto mirrors, and I worked with a designer and the user and the UX member. I worked with a designer and the website developers. Released website and successful. Successfully we gained around 50 to 100 orders a day. But and I got the spot bonus. Spot bonus. 3,000 pesos. Okay. But we got a lot of complaints. We got a lot of complaints. Why? Because our after sales started. This got me into the idea that there's something more on the website than just a facade. What was behind scenes? Mattered a lot. Yeah, so it's not really the story. It's not really how I tell the story. Now the community first, and then my third story. Community. We started the community. We started the community. And there's a brief history of the UX. Brief history of the UX community here. I always tell. I always tell the story. Our first meetup was in 2011. Yeah, this is 2011. It's in a bar. Twenty 2013. I think 2013. So we had that mini conference 2011. Yeah, this was our first event 2011. Event, first event. That's 2011. The LSU. first real meetup was in 2013 in Northeast. I guess now we have around 5,000 members. Yep, that's how normally I tell my story. Probably tell the same story, but I don't know if that's what they want to hear about. Mhm. Yeah, let's make this the first time I saw this. Interesting, interesting. Yeah, it's like interesting. It's the first time I saw this. Well, normally that's what I do. Talk about at least three stories. That's it. I'm prepared for that interview later. It's 9 to 10. I don't really know if that would be 9 to 10. It's interesting to hear your own voice and be annoyed with it. I'll do my read advice and I'll end today's session. Why did they share that? Well, that's why we should end. I have to read this again. I don't know the context. This is the problem with highlighting without context. Quality will measure pervasiveness. Nice. Pervasiveness only will uncover we don't know. Nice. It will be into conflict. Okay. Epoch. Appalling. Basic skills for growth. What are the basic skills for growth? Data. Fluency in data analysis. Fluency in product management. Data analysis, product management, understanding of how to design and run experiments. Let's find them optimize the most promising areas. It is about rapid experimentation, applying rapid experimentation. Yes. Habit formation. Habit formation is process where user behavior becomes progressive and more automatic. Let's add this here. Things that I want to remember. Habit. This is by James Clear. Not automatic through repetition. Okay. Next. Audience. You feel to meet and why. And this part about writing. There should be internal conflict, external. Right? That is my notes for today. Awesome. Right. I will end my session there. Wait. Excited to see what happens tomorrow.